After a tile job and the grout has dried, you might notice a thin film on your tile. It's completely normal and happens to all of us. It's called grout haze. It's grout minerals left over after the grouting process. If wiping it down with a rag and buffing it out doesn't do the trick, you'll need grout haze remover. You'll need to know what type of grout, like cement or non-cement, and tile you're using to determine the best grout haze remover for your wall or floor. And check the package instructions. You might need to wait a couple of hours or even several days before you apply this product. If the haze on your tile is pretty thin like mine is, you can dilute this product. Otherwise, just use it straight. I've diluted my remover into a spray bottle, and I'll just spray it directly onto the tile. And depending on how bad the haze is, you might let it sit for a minute before you use a bristle brush to scrub it in. I'll be working in small sections, scrubbing the remover in, and then using a clean sponge to wipe it away. And if your water starts to get dirty during this process, go ahead and switch it out. Keep working in small sections until you're done. All that's left now is to let it dry. If you've used a standard cement-based grout, it's a good idea to apply a grout sealer to prevent stains.